Usually on New Year's Eve, we're in the city either playing a gig or putting on an event. As much as we love to do both of these things, for this one, we decided we wanted to change it up and celebrate up in the mountains. We headed up to Lookout Pass on the Idaho-Montana border for their always incredible powder and to join in on their annual New Year's Eve torchlight parade.
So ready.
So we made it. Beautiful day. And we're up here. First lift, baby.
It's gonna be an awesome day. And then later,
Torchlight parade, baby. All right, we're all strapped in. Beautiful snow day. Just such a beautiful snow day. Great decision. Great decision on staying here for New Year's Eve. And then there's a torchlight parade. Are you serious? What? Okay, let's do it. Look at this.
Never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, check my repertoire, don't check me not. Let's just checks involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God. So next to God, next to God. Never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, don't check me not. Let's just checks involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God. Next to God, next to God. Never fall, never ever fall, never ever stone a rolling stone till I'm in Rolling Stone. Bet I'm close to goal, need a place, need a safer bank. I've been saving change, I need some space. Chatting in my face, get from around my way. Hey, what you saying? Where you at now? I swear that once I leave my city, never coming back down. Wait, from pushing tapes to glowing up around the map now. Real hot summer, keep my cool, I never act out. Hey, yes indeed. Recognize what you want, may not be what you need. Won't take control of me, but I got mouths to feed. Hustle smart, not hard to still get it by any means. Please, never not, never under your.
After being incredibly blessed with beautiful, sparkling, sun-kissed powder all day long, we were about to take a sunset chairlift to board back down in what would soon be full darkness in a sea of torches.